Hello, today's video is about 5 effective tips that helps you get more FPS in games and speed up your PC. First tip, delete the unnecessary temporary files your PC is using in the background. Those files are wasting space and causing your PC to slow down. To delete those files, press Windows key +R and then type %temp% and click OK. It'll open up the folder where those files are stored. Click Ctrl A to select all files, then press delete. Repeat the same process, but change %temp% to prefetch. Second tip, adjusting Windows visual effects for performance. To do that, right-click on this PC, then click Properties, then scroll all the way down and click on Advanced System Settings, then click Settings, then click on Adjust for best performance. Optionally, I suggest you to take Show thumbnails instead of icons. Third tip, disable unwanted startup programs. Those unnecessary programs start up each time you turn on your PC, and it can cause it to slow down. To disable them, right-click on your taskbar, then click Task Manager, then go the Startup section. Toggle off all the unnecessary apps to prevent them from launching each time you turn on your PC. Fourth tip, defragment and optimize drives. Open Start menu, then type defragment and click on defragment and optimize this window. From there, select your system drive, usually it's C, then click optimize. Once it's finished optimizing, you can press close. Fifth tip, disabling background apps. Most of the time, without you knowing, there are certain apps running in the background you may not need at that moment. To free up your resources, open Start menu, click on Settings, click on Privacy. In the left pane, scroll down and select Background Apps, then toggle off Let Apps Run in the background like shown. That's it for today's video. If you like it, please consider clicking the like button and subscribing to my channel. It's free and you can always change your mind.